Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abu Hanifah. Hi guys, I am from 2JK, and in this video I will make sambal tumis udang. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. For the fine grind ingredients are all of these ingredients. I blend it together to make a paste like this. And the other ingredients are let's start cooking. The first step, adjust the stove to high heat and pour the cooking oil into the frying pan. Make sure the oil is hot and put the red onion into the frying pan. The third step is pour the paste into the frying pan. If you have, put the belacan into the frying pan. After that, stir it until the oil separates. Then put 3 to 4 tablespoons of tamarind juice. Now put 1 to 2 tablespoons of palm sugar. Add water into it and repeat it 2 times. This action is to make sure the chili is cooked nicely. Lastly, add the prawn into it. Now we are almost done, and this dish are ready to be served.